between this one and the other two leading brands. So we see that this is just totally dry and soft, so nothing of bacteria can hide in here. So this is a patented material. And then in ours, there's also something else, which is green. It's a green strip, but it's not an ordinary green strip. It actually is 6,000 negative ions. Look up the search engines and type in negative ions, and you'll find out the benefits of this for us. But in this case, the reason it's here is because it helps fight any kind of bacteria. It actually kills it on contact, and it also eliminates audio, the odor. Okay, so I'll put this aside, and this is also patented by our company, Light, worldwide. So we see that the next layer here is cotton, in this leading brand here, all wet. And this next top layer is also cotton, and it's totally wet. Very uncomfortable for you. Here in the Love Moon sanitary napkin, it's totally wrapped in cotton, not allowing any liquid to come out, as you can see. So I'm going to have to open this so you can see what's inside. There's another little protective lining there. So we see that there's supposed to be a gel in all three that absorbs the water. So we'll see in this leading brand if there's any gel. There seems to be some gel here. Okay, that's the gel that this has. You'll see this other leading brand. See how much gel it has. Let's see, like it almost has none. Yep, very little, or almost, I would say almost none. So this pure cotton. So we'll see our brand, the Love Moon. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put another 50 milliliters of liquid in 2 glasses, like so. Put this one here. We'll do the same in the other glass. Another 50 milliliters here. We'll put it here in this glass. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if this top brand here, with the amount of gel that it has, will be able to absorb more of the water. And this other leading brand, I will put that in the same glass, try and give it some help here, and see what happens. We'll put that there. If I can try and get some of this off, which it does have some gel, but not a whole lot. But this is about it. I just want to be fair here, so give this chance to soak up. And now I'm going to put the gel that the Love Moon has, just like so. Get it up here. And I'll put it in that other container. So I'll let this sit here for a while. I need to take the rest of this off. You know, when you see this live with your own eye, it's even more impressive than what you're seeing now, because you're able to actually touch it and see it. So it's definitely very, very impressive here. Take this off here. Okay. Now what we have here is the bottom layer, which with our product, Love Moon, it is a patented worldwide layer on the bottom here. It looks like, it feels like paper, but it's not, and I really don't know what it's made out of, but I know that it is a patented material that allows it to breathe, and that is important for women because they make it feel more comfortable. And we see that this other leading brand here is pretty much plastic, so it doesn't allow the air to breathe through. So we'll just put this aside, and we see that this other leading brand as well is plastic. So plastic does not allow any air to come in. So we'll just put this aside. What I'm going to show you now is to prove that our brand does allow some breathing and the other two do not. This is like some hot water here, and I'm going to put our brand on top of this one here with this glass on top, like so. And I'm going to do the same with this other leading brand, and put this on top, so. And put this other glass on top. We see that this one here is allowing the vapor, the steam, to come up because it allows breathing. And we see here that this other leading brand found in stores that a lot of women use is not. It's not allowing anything. So it allows the steam to come up, and yet it will not allow the water to come out. Now let me see if I can prove that to you by turning this over, like so. So we see that the water is on top, and yet it's not going to the bottom, and yet the steam, it allows the steam. So here you go. There's proof of that. Okay, get this out of the way. And last but not least, we'll see if it was able to absorb any more water. Put two together, and it did some, but not all. So we'll see ours here, if it allowed to absorb more water. It absorbed it totally. Okay, so we see that it absorbed another 50 milliliters of water.